This 2017 Keystone Avalanche 300RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, refrigerator, leveling jacks, slide-out, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Avalanche 300RE is 11,489 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.